So this is Lido Deck L254, a balcony cabin on the Star Princess. We start with a mirror. This is the closet, and they have got a lot of hangers, and people have left their wire hangers behind. And you know what I say to that? No more wire hangers. There's a shelf up here with our life jackets. We're muster station B, so you could store a bunch of stuff up there. Of course, there's a safe and all these shelves. And then in this door is the bathroom. We've just boarded the ship. There's a shower head up there, but it's not removable. Of course, it's got one of these clotheslines, like all ships do, and a cloth curtain. Two knobs, and a foot washer maybe? Oh, maybe that's what the other knob is. That's weird. I think that's shampoo and body wash. Towels, one of these. Plenty of room for my knees. Shelves in here. Another mirror. Faucet. Some lotion. Tissues. Toilet paper. So that's the bathroom. Oh, this is fancy. Here's the bed. Looks okay. Got a lamp over there with a couple of drawers. A large mirror. A table. The trash can. A fairly large TV. Some glasses, tongs, even a bottle opener. Of course, I always bring my own. Desk with a chair. A lot more drawers. We brought our own water. A lot more drawers. Another mirror. Blow dryer hanging on the wall. Telephone with a message waiting. Oh. I didn't know that. I guess I should listen. It's probably something generic. Stuff that's happening here on the cruise. Down here, you have a refrigerator. And we brought some water to put in there. It's missing the bar and everything, so I guess we'll just store everything up there in the bottom. This is the balcony. We're still in the port of San Pedro. That's the port for Los Angeles. It's got one of these blue plastic floors, these chairs that recline a little bit. So that'll go back flat almost, I would say. Because I can go one more, right? Maybe not. Little table, little Janet, railing. We'll be going out that channel in a couple hours. Of course, you can see the suite and mini suite balconies down below always. See all the other balconies. People running on top of the roof there. I don't know what that's about. More balconies. And that's pretty much it. That is a balcony cabin on the Star Princess. Lido Deck, Deck 14. Comes with a chair, not a sofa. And a little table. If you pay a little more, you get a little couch.
So this is our cabin after 2 weeks of cruising. The mirror's still there. There was enough room in the bathroom for all our stuff. This closet worked out well. Bought a ukulele. This shelf worked out well. There were enough hangers for all our clothes. Although People had left these wire hangers in here, so we used a bunch of them too. Brought way too many clothes. Didn't wear some of them. I hate that. This never quite worked well. Piles of stuff there. Piles of stuff here. I use a lot of camera equipment. Ice bucket goes there. Our steward puts it in here to keep it more frozen. Got a bottle of wine left. Gonna be drinking that. Brought some coffees down. These are the princess patters and the ads and stuff from the week, or 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks worth there. Art shows. I always bring one of these USB hubs because, you know, we have iPads, Apple Watches, iPhones, camera equipment. I even have a gimbal. Has to be charged. Balcony worked out great. I suggest getting a balcony always, or a mini suite or suite. We're on our last sea day. Tomorrow we'll be in Ensenada, and the next day we'll be home in LA. The ocean is very flat today. See that? I mean, it could be flatter, but this is the calmest seas we've had the whole cruise. Not that it was rough or anything, but these are the calmest. So that's a typical balcony cabin on a princess ship. I don't think we even used all these drawers. So there was plenty of space. We won some of these. That. Have fun on your cruise. Get involved, play some games. Do some stuff. We learned how to play ukulele. And then we gave a performance. So, balcony cabin. Big TV too. But that's pretty good size. Not much on to watch though. Not much on to watch. Anyway, Port Monkey's out.